Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Google Pixel 11 charging slowly. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the USB-C port. This is the first thing we want to do. Since the port is at the bottom here, we can easily clean it with a soft brush. Of course, soft brush does the job the best. That's why we want to make sure that it's clean on the inside. I haven't used this phone that much, so I know for a fact that it's clean. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating, not updating, but cleaning it. It's very important. And once you actually clean your USB-C port, then you need to understand that you also need a special charger. So you need 30 watts and you need proper PD or PPS adapter, since none of that is included in the box. And of course, we have the charger right here. It's not original, but as you guys can see, whenever I plug it in, it will be fast charging our phone. So you can also try changing the outlets. You can try changing everything, see if that helps. But the only way to actually fix it is by getting a normal charger and by getting the charger, as I've said, and by cleaning your charging port. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.